I'll give you my life.
No, we're past that point.
On this ride-along, an officer goes for a run. Another shrugs his shoulders. And a witness has something to say.
Yeah, she don't do nothing.
On October 9th in Kissimmee, Florida, an officer was about to get punched in the face.
First of all, you're doing 31 and a 20, and both of them are not buckled in. He's standing up.
Yeah, I told him to sit down.
All right. Well, I need your license.
You gotta wait. So let me go inside.
No, that's not how it works.
I don't have it on me.
That's not how it works.
No, I don't have it. Do not touch me. You just touched me. No, you just touched me.
I need your license right now.
You shouldn't be doing that.
I need your license right now.
You just touched a female.
I need your license
no, I'm
right now.
You. What is your name?
Officer Vo, badge
Okay,
number is 897. I need your license right now.
I don't have my license.
Are you refusing to buy your driver license to me?
Yeah.
All right. Put your hand behind your back.
You're not touching me.
Put your hand behind your back.
No, I didn't refuse. I said I'm gonna put my kids in my bed.
That's not true.
Are you refusing to buy your driver license to me?
Yeah.
Drive 14, Jamie, 94.
Stop touching me. Stop touching me. Do not touch. No. You just touched me. Get out. You just touched and my kid has autism. Stop. Let me get up. I'll give you my license.
Put your hand behind your back.
Let me get up.
You just punched me. Put your hand behind your back.
Because you touched me. You just touched me. Let me get up. I'll put my hand to my back. Give me a second.
While that went on, more officers were on the way.
Let me get up fast. I'll give you my life.
No, we're past that point.
I didn't refuse to give you my
Yes, you did. You said you refused.
I said, let me put my kids.
No, that's not how it works. You don't do this. When I give you an order, you do it.
Okay, sir. But you touched me before anything.
Because you were walking away.
I wasn't walking away. I got down.
She appeared to be walking away.
That's not how it works.
I don't have it on me.
That's not how it works.
No, I don't have it. Do not touch me. I got down because I was bringing my kids to school. He literally punched me. Exactly. He didn't let me bring the children inside. Can I get up at least? Él me empujó al piso. No me dejó ni darle mi licencia.
On 10-4. Use of force. Stand up.
Ray, can you let me give you my license? I was gonna get you.
No.
You punched me before anything. You didn't even let me give you my license. I got down and you already pushed me.
Step in.
But can you listen to me, please?
I'm listening.
Okay. Can you listen? I got down and you already pushed me.
You punched me.
I understand and I apologize, but you pushed me. You don't touch a female.
I didn't push.
You don't touch
I
a female.
literally stopped you.
You have a body camera.
It's
and you
on.
Exactly.
All
And
right,
we can
now step in.
and we can report that.
All right.
Listen. Let me
What
get
is
my
it?
wallet and my.
No. Put your feet in.
Let me give you my
Put your
license.
feet in.
You're not letting me give you my license and my phone.
I went to ask you for your license.
I said-
and you said you refused.
I said I
We
don't
went
have
past-
it.
we
I don't
past-
have it
that's
on
the-
me.
What happened?
She punched him.
Put your
If
foot
I
in.
don't have my license, I can't give you my license. I can
Put
give you
your foot
my
in.
information.
Put your feet
Let me
in.
get my wallet and my purse. You have my phone on the floor.
Slow everyone else down. You good, man?
I got punched.
Be units around to Highlands Elementary, you can downward response. On battery on a Leo, send the supervisor.
With the scene calming down, some of the newly arrived officers found a couple of witnesses.
She don't do nothing. She don't do nothing. Yeah, she don't do nothing.
¿Tuviste todo?
Todos los días ella viene a dejar los niños en la escuela.
She witnessed the entire thing from the start.
Ajá.
Are you willing to provide a sworn written statement of what happened today?
Ay, yo no me quiero meter en eso.
Okay. All right. Well.
Since that went so well, the officers asked the woman for her version of the events.
Explain with me what happened. I was coming in from school, and I was telling my kids, sit down, but my 2 kids, they have autism.
Okay.
So they don't want to sit down. I strapped them, and then I didn't know there was a cop, and I know where he comes and follow me when I'm turning into school. And he told I parked because I didn't know he was pulling me over, so I parked. And he turned on the light. So I'm like, so I got down, and he got down running to me and pushed me to the door. And I was like, what are you doing? I'm just bringing my kids. And he was like, oh, can you give me your license? I was like, I don't have my license at the moment. Like in physical, I don't have it on me.
Mm-hmm.
And he didn't even ask me for my name, nothing. He just pushed me to the floor and just, that was it. And since he hit me, I pushed him like, hey, stop. And that was wrong that I did, but I apologize. But he pushed me first, and I told him, do not touch a female when I'm not doing nothing wrong to you.
Okay.
And that's what it was. Then he pushed me from there.
Okay. So, were you able? Do you have your information on you or anything? Do you have that?
Yeah.
Did you give it to the other officers?
Yeah. No, nobody has asked for it.
Let me get your information. Okay.
You're on a lawful traffic stop. When I tell you something, stop.
Yeah,
You don't dictate this.
You got to resist it, bro. You get.
And we only with violence now.
With the arrest wrapping up, the woman would have one more surprise for the officers.
Okay. All right. By chance, do you know your driver license number?
My license is suspended. To be honest.
What?
My license is suspended.
So, but do you know the number by chance?
Oh,
You know. So what's it suspended for?
tickets.
For tickets?
According to county court records, those open tickets are for failure to stop at a red light 8 times, for a total of $2,755.20, including late fees. Like the channel? Hate sponsor breaks? Subscribe today to help keep the sponsors away.
So I got her information for you. Look, how are you doing?
You good? You okay?
I'm fine. All right. And then you still got that on? Yeah. I'll just wait till you get that till we get done with everything. And then for traffic charges, so she did say her license suspended. That's why she doing. That's why she didn't give it to you. For her tickets, that's what she said. Okay?
No, I wasn't even going to take her.
But instead...
Okay, so as of now, you are going to be arrested for multiple offenses. And, for driving with a suspended license and battery on a Leo.
What do you mean?
Battery on a law enforcement officer.
I didn't really touch him.
Okay? So that's what you're being charged with right now. All right? We'll figure out the car situation later. But
my mom can come get it.
Is your mom able to pick up your kids this afternoon?
I don't know, maybe.
So we'll figure that out.
You guys have to call her.
Okay. All right. We'll come to that. Okay. You have any questions for me? Okay. All right. So like I said, we'll be back with you.
Thanks for coming out so quick.
Yeah.
The officer charged her with battery on a Leo, resisting with violence, resisting without violence, and driving with a suspended license. She'd enter a plea deal where she pled no contest to the resisting with violence charge, with the state declining to prosecute the other charges. The court then sentenced her to 18 months probation, assigned her to an anger management course, required her to complete 75 hours of community service, and have no further contact with the arresting officer. She also got tickets for speeding and having passengers under 18 not seatbelted. As of this video's posting, the traffic tickets were unpaid and late fees had been added to each, to bring the amount she owed on traffic tickets to $3,316.80. The criminal case also had an outstanding balance due of $716. Thanks for watching. See you on the next ride-along. Oh, and they ended up just towing the car, and the school asked that she be trespassed from the property.